We are getting this error because we have not given a proper indentation. So let's press tab here because we have written this code outside the try loop, which is wrong. So let's give some indentation and it will be fine. So let's put this entire code in the try block. And now just run the code. Okay, we got some syntax error here. Just delete it and run. And we got the screen. So this is the output. Now the use case is when I'll click on this screen, when I'll press button, then at that time the circle should be drawn. See? Again I'll press the button, mouse click. So in this way you can check the status of your input device and accordingly you can perform different events. Okay.